Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the ultimate burger dressing sauce. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of rich ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of classic yellow mustard. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish for that perfect tang. Also, have on hand 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a dash each of onion and garlic powder. Now let's start mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Use a whisk to blend these ingredients together until they are completely smooth and well incorporated. You should see a beautiful, consistent light orange color forming. This creamy mixture is the delicious foundation for your perfect burger sauce. Next, we'll add the signature elements that truly elevate this sauce. Gently stir in your 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. This provides a delightful crunch and tangy sweetness. Then, add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to brighten the flavors and a small pinch of sugar to perfectly balance the acidity. Finally, mix in a dash of both onion powder and garlic powder for an extra layer of savory depth. Stir everything until just combined. Your incredible burger dressing sauce is almost ready. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference, perhaps a little more sugar or vinegar. Once perfected, transfer the sauce into an airtight container. It is crucial to refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve this amazing sauce generously on your favorite burgers, sandwiches, or even as a dip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.